Hey everyone! Welcome back to Steady Motivation. Are you ready to take your science game to the next level? Today, I'm sharing 5 super cool science projects that are perfect for college students. These projects are not only fun but also super educational. Let's dive right in. First up, the balloon in a bottle experiment. Take a plastic bottle and poke a small hole in it. Now, try to blow up a balloon inside the bottle. What happens? The balloon won't inflate fully because the air pressure inside the bottle increases, pushing back against the balloon. But cover the hole, and voila, the balloon inflates. This is a great way to learn about air pressure. Let's create zero-gravity hanging water. Fill a glass with water, place a card on top, and flip it upside down. Slowly remove the card, and the water stays in place. This happens because of atmospheric pressure pushing up on the card. It's like magic, but it's science. Project number 3, the homework writing machine. Using an Arduino, a few servos, and a pen, you can build a machine that writes for you. Perfect for those long study nights. This project combines coding, electronics, and creativity. Number 4, a hydroelectricity generator. Use a small water turbine connected to a motor to generate electricity from flowing water. It's a hands-on way to learn about renewable energy and how hydropower works. Project 5, a rain alarm. Build a simple circuit with a sensor that detects water. When it rains, the alarm goes off. This is a great introduction to basic electronics and sensors.